everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and this is why I've been on a no-buy. Well, I have a lot of stuff, but I ordered this a little while ago and I had saved up for it, and look at this packaging. Isn't it beautiful? Each one of the diamond paintings is in a tube. It's wrapped in this beautiful paper. It's got this ribbon. Can you guess where this is from? This is from, let me cut this ribbon down here so you can see where it's from. The Pink Razzberry. So ever since I saw somebody unbox this, I have been drooling over the Pink Razzberry. And they are a Facebook group out of Canada. And I'm going to tell you a little bit more about them over the course of the video. But I fell in love with this image. One image is still a secret. The other image you'll get to see in this video. Alright. So these are taped together. And I was joking with my husband. I was like, look, honey, it's not China mail, it's Canada mail. And he just laughed at me and rolled his eyes. So, all right. I think this is the one that we will open on camera. Okay, let's see. Is this just pretty paper around a tube? Yes, I think it's just pretty paper around the tube. It's like double-sided paper, which is really nice because now I'll have a really nice tube to use. Okay. Trying to get this off so I don't have to worry about my address showing. All right. So I got enough of it off. It's like opening a Christmas present, people. But while I'm doing this, I will have the link down below to go to their Facebook group, and then you need to message the owner from the Facebook group. They do have postings in their photo album of things that are currently available. And Lizzie Vapes, which is Lizzie World of Gems now, she also is kind of my contact. She goes there almost weekly, and so she can get the lowdown too on different designs. But right in their shop, they actually put the glue on and count out the drills and package. So it's truly like a family business. And if you've been around my channel at all, you know that I'm all about promoting small businesses. So, you guys ready to see what I purchased? Okay. Nothing in there. See anything? All right, so first off, it came with this pen, and I was able to kind of put in their ears the type of pen I wanted. I love this color, and this is the color that Lizzie has. And so I begged her and was like, can you tell the owner that this is the kind I want? So they bring it's an acrylic pen. It's a 4-placer, a 10-placer, and a plastic tip. And then it just goes right inside there like so. And I love the 4-placer. So I'm going to put that in there too. So now I'm ready to drill. Double-barreled, right? Bring back my baton days. If it were bigger, I could do the like whirly, whirly, whirly. But there we go. Anyway, So this painting came with the pen because this painting is pretty expensive. Yeah. I'm not going to relive how much it was. You can see it down in the description because you may want to, or you might faint. But that's what I've been saving up my craft budget for the past couple months so I could purchase this one. And then I told her, wait to send it until you send the secret one that I will show you in another video. So it saved her on shipping. It's beautifully packaged. It has, get this guys, okay, let me show you. Guess how many colors it has. Okay, so this is the image. And can you see right there? Yeah, I'm not lying. It has 140 colors. Yeah, that is why I went crazy for it. And it is the Northern Lights. So you can kind of see the thumbnail right there. Okay, and it is the double-sided tape adhesive. Look at the key, guys. Look at this key. This key does not end. It keeps going and going and going and going and going. Nothing outlasts the Energizer Bunny. And when I was talking to them, they were talking about how it was hard to even get 140 symbols. All right, so we're gonna let that rest for a minute and we're gonna go over the packaging. So this, they package it all themselves, and they have little, like this is, so they said packaged by, and they have who packaged it, and this is NL, probably for Northern Lights, 1 of 4, and then 2 of 4, 3 of 4, and 4 of 4. So we're gonna open this one first. And they have a little card in here. Cheryl, Lisa, and Joan. And it says, unpack and check inventory, take plastic off of pink wax, load pen by sticking, choose color to start with, dump chosen gems into tray, pull back. So it's kind of got like a little how-to card, which is really cool that it's just a card that you can use. And then they give you an inventory sheet, which is great because I'm going to need it with this many colors. Guys, it's 2 pages long. Look at that. Can you believe it? Rebecca, this is like your Haid, right? And so let's look at these symbols. So you can kind of see here, they had to be inventive. Like there's a flag here. There's 2 little arrows. There's an arrow down. So they had to be inventive on what kind. And so here's the DMC number, and then over here is how many of that number you're supposed to have. And then over here it tells you which ones are the Aurora Borealis, which for those of you who are new have like a shine to it, and I'll show you that in a minute. This is a 50 by 60 with 140 colors with AB gems. It's also interesting they have here that this particular photo is for experts. So their shop, they do have people come in and you can diamond paint right there. You can buy right off the wall in Canada. And so I'm sure this is to like let you know, but look at that image, guys. Isn't that just beautiful? And I saw the first person that finished it on their Facebook page, and it just pops amazingly. And they also are the ones that pick what the ABs are. Like they are just a amazing company. So here, there's 2 in here. So here's the Aurora Borealis. So you can see it's like a sequence coating on top. Here's the purple one. And they have, so it says AB on it. And then they have, it almost is like a price gun way of labeling. Isn't that great? So all your bags are labeled. And I will probably work out of the bags because I don't want to use 140 containers. Can you imagine? Yeah. So this one, you can see that green in there. Just look at that sparkle. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah. So I will be inventorying this because I can't wait to work on it. All right. The kit it comes with is gorgeous. It's a single placer with a 3-placer and a squishy. You get a white tray. Oh, and you also get a, I think it's a 9-placer, wax, and then you get, they're pointy tweezers, but they're not as sharp. So that's nice. And they're really sturdy on the end versus the thin metal that I sometimes get. Okay. All right, so now let's get to this beautiful canvas. All right, I'm gonna put my scissors over here. I'm gonna put this back in the tube just so I know where it's, whoops. I just popped the other end off and all my things landed on the floor. This is why they probably taped it shut, people. Why they taped it shut. All right, so let's put that lid back on. Let's try this again. Because I don't want to lose them, but I want all my space here for you guys. All right. Put this over here. Whew, cleaning it up, cleaning it up. Okay, are we ready to explore the Pink Razzberry? And I love down here, they are in, what's that say? Strathmore, Ontario. The Pink Razzberry Diamond Painting. Here's their website, but you need to order through their Facebook. All right. It's in 2 strips. And here we go, here we go. Here we go. Okay, we're lifting, we're lifting. We're trying not to rip. We're lifting. Look at those colors. Oh my goodness, it's just like a rainbow of colors. It's beautiful. Can you guys see that? Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah. So I'm gonna put that back down. And we'll do the other side. And then we'll get down and dangerous with the symbols. Trying to be careful because this is right on the crack where the 2 adhesive pieces come together, and I don't want to pull it up too much. Yeah, so there's all the purples in the sky. Oh, this is going to be breathtaking. And there are a few rivers, but they're not bubbles. That's from me pulling the tape up so close to this crack right here. But it's very fixable. You know, there's pros and cons to every type of glue. I'm hearing that the pour glued over time is not acid free, and so it does yellow. This, you have to be careful because of rivers, because it's basically an adhesive taped down, and so when you pull the top layer off, you're giving it an option that you're pulling the adhesive away from the canvas. So I'm not sure if you can see that very clearly. I can't see what you're seeing, so I apologize if it's blurry. In editing, I'll go back and insert a picture just in case it is blurry. So I'm super excited to do this, guys. You guys need to head over and check out the Pink Razzberry and check out what like their photo album is. I'll try to put down below in the description how to figure out what they currently have in stock. But this is absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to dive into it, and I can't wait to have this as my, you know, March testing a new store. I've never done this store before. So yeah, so stick around. You're gonna see this from time to time. However, with my 3 collabs I'm doing, I'm not sure when this will make an actual appearance in video, but I will sneak it in. And I just can't get over, look at how long, how far, like this is what 140 colors looks like in a key. Ridiculous. Okay, great job, Pink Razzberry. Can't wait to start it. The drills look amazing. This is round, I believe. Yep, this is round. The drills, yeah, there's no complaints there. They look perfect. Yeah. So I can't wait to get started, and I hope you guys are working on a project that you love. So until next time, take care, be blessed. Bye-bye.